Hello, friends. My name is Sophia, and as a mom and wife, I know how important it is to keep our homes comfortable and bug-free. Today, I'm excited to share some tips about sliding screen doors, a must-have for any family home. As a busy mom, I love how sliding screen doors let me keep an eye on the kids playing in the backyard while I'm preparing dinner. Plus, they're great for letting in that fresh breeze without inviting in unwanted pests. You know, I used to dread opening our patio door. The old screen was torn and sticky, making it a constant struggle. But since we got our new sliding screen door from Best Custom Screens, it's been a game changer. Now, I can easily keep an eye on the kids playing outside while I'm preparing dinner. The smooth glide of the door is so satisfying. It's the little things that make a big difference in a hectic family life. What I love most about Best Custom Screens is how they truly understand a family's needs. They offered so many options that I didn't even know existed. From pet-resistant screens to ones that block out more sun. They had it all. But you know what really sets them apart? Their customer service. As a mom, my time is precious, and they respected that. They were prompt, professional, and so patient with all my questions. It felt like they genuinely cared about making our home better. Since installing our new screen door, our home feels more open, more connected to nature. The kids love the fresh air, and I love that I don't have to worry about bugs getting in. It's made our family time on the patio so much more enjoyable. If you're a parent like me, looking to make your home more comfortable and functional, I can't recommend Best Custom Screens enough. They're not just selling screens. They're helping create happier homes. And trust me, a happy home makes for a happy family. Thanks for listening to my experience. Here's to creating wonderful memories in your home with a little help from Best Custom Screens.
Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and select the alert notification so that way you guys can see any new how-to videos we have coming out. Thank you.